In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk archive orders in Shopify on desktop. Archiving is a great way to keep your orders page tidy by moving finished work out of your day-to-day view without deleting anything. It's perfect for orders that are fulfilled or completed and didn't get archived automatically. You'll still be able to find them later in your closed or archived view, and all order data remains intact for reporting and records. Start by opening your Shopify admin in a desktop browser. The desktop layout gives you the full orders table, the bulk selection tools, and the actions menu you'll need. Once you're signed in, look to the left sidebar and click Orders. This brings up your list of orders with filters, search, and checkboxes on the left of each row. Before you select anything, consider narrowing down the list. Use the search bar to find specific order numbers, customer names, or other details, and apply filters like fulfillment status or payment status to isolate the orders you know are complete. This saves clicks and reduces mistakes, especially if you manage a large volume. Now, select the orders you want to archive by clicking the checkboxes next to each order. If everything on the current page should be archived, use the checkbox at the top of the table to select all visible orders at once. Keep in mind that this selects only the orders on the current page, not across multiple pages, so double-check your pagination and selections before continuing. With your orders selected, look for the More Actions option at the top of the list. Depending on your theme or screen size, this might appear as a three-dot menu. Click it, then choose Archive Orders from the drop-down. This is the command that tells Shopify to move those orders out of your open list and into the closed or archived view. There's no impact on your customers, and no financial data is altered. This is simply organizational. After a moment, the selected orders will disappear from your Open Orders view. If you want to verify, you can switch your orders filters to show closed or archived, and you'll see them listed there. Remember, bulk archiving is intended for orders that are already fulfilled or completed and weren't archived automatically. If an order still needs action, it's better to leave it open until it's finished. That's all there is to it. Open your admin on desktop, go to Orders, select the right orders, using filters and the top checkbox to speed things up. Click More Actions and choose Archive Orders. This simple cleanup step keeps your workflow focused on what's active and makes finding historical orders easy when you need them.